Are you looking for ways to boost your health and vitality, regardless of your age? Well, today, let's find out how. Omega-3 is a nutrient known to support heart health, brain function, and so much more. But where can you find this wonderful nutrient? First, your local grocery store. You can find omega-3 in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and even a special one called the green-lipped mussel. Don't eat fish? No problem. Flaxseeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are packed with omega-3 too. Now, green-lipped mussel. It's a unique source of omega-3 and has been loved by many for its potential health benefits. You might not be able to find it in health stores yet, but you can find it online. In particular, GLX3. And if you prefer a supplement, talk to your healthcare provider first. They can guide you on the best options for your needs, including green-lipped mussel supplements. Oh, and remember to use heart-healthy oils like olive oil in your cooking. They also contain omega-3. Visit our website, hakalife.com, for more information.